Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. As usual, I'm here to make some technical analysis and show you all the different tools and techniques that I like to use at work to set up my trades and make some money. So today is Saturday and it's a very sunny day in Hong Kong. I didn't go out yesterday because I knew that I would wake up this morning and I would feel like, hey, I want to make an update on AMC. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So let's start on the 4 hour time frame as usual, and let's sum up a bit what happened this week. So I did my last video, I think around Tuesday, something like this. And I told you guys that we're gonna have some consolidation, that we are in the third wave of my third wave here. So maybe let me, for those who haven't watched this video, I was basically telling you guys that this whole consolidation here that lasts, for the past 2 or 3 months is over, and that we are actually right now in the third wave. All right, so moves up, develop in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s, and the third wave is usually the most impulsive and the strongest one. So here, this to me looks very much like a third wave. And in this third wave, usually we are extended, which means we're having 5 waves as well. And we are in the third of this third wave. So I was expecting here, guys, you can go and check my video, a bit of consolidation. And I told you that this dip is nothing. So this is for me completely normal. You can see that here we got rejected from the 14.5 level, 15 level roughly. If you check on the daily time frame, we didn't even trade here because this was after market actually. So technically it should not be taken into account in my analysis, but on the hourly time frame I see it, so let's take it into account. And yeah, this is to me completely normal. My only little worry, guys, is that this fourth wave is not too deep. All right, it can even be deeper. It would be fine for me as long as we stay above the top here of my wave 1. So as long as we stay above this level, guys, above 11 roughly 10.9, we not having the fourth wave coming into wave 1 territory, which would be actually a diagonal. So I don't like to see diagonals at the beginning of, in a third wave, you can't have a diagonal. All right, so this wouldn't be a third wave if wave 4 enters wave 1 territory. As long as we stay above 11, everything is fine for me. My only little worry, guys, is that this correction is not too deep in spots. I could go even lower, but it's a bit long. I would like to see some strong move up coming earlier, because like I told you guys before, I don't want to see this bearish divergence coming here. So it was on the daily time frame. I told you guys that we need to have some strong momentum coming here right now, because I don't want to see here a higher high with the MACD making a lower high. So between here 17th of March and here 17th of May, the MACD is going lower and the price action was actually going higher if I check on the hourly time frame, but on the daily time frame it's fine here. So basically I don't have my divergence, because on the daily time frame we didn't make a new high because it was after market, and on the 4 hours time frame you can see the momentum indicator is actually trading higher. All right, so here we're having a new high. I can put my third wave here, 15.8. All right, I can see it, so I take into account, but the MACD is going higher. So basically everything is fine. We're not having this divergence, neither on the daily nor on the 4 hours time frame, and even less on the hourly time frame. So we are still bullish, guys. We're still bullish, but once again, let me show you what I don't really like is that this, I'm not sure what is that, guys, to be honest. I'm not sure what is that. I'm trying to identify this pattern, because here I clearly see kind of a zigzag, a typical correction, an ABC. But then here we should have the fifth wave, and the fifth wave should be itself in 5 waves. So, all right, 1, 2, but then 3, 4, 5. What is this? I don't understand what's that, guys. Seriously, I don't understand. But the same, kind of same thing happened here. You see, I was telling you guys exactly at this time, we should not break 980. If we break it, it doesn't look good. But actually we broke it, and we had this, unidentified end of pattern, that was to me very disturbing and didn't help me to, complete my analysis, like to complete my bullish case. And here I'm having the same thing, guys. So let's see what kind of move we're having on Monday. But for now, what I can tell you is that, so this is still on the table. Let's see, maybe this is going to be 1-2 like this, you know. The one would be a bit like weird, but fair enough. Let's see what we're going to have. For now, guys, we are still bullish. We are still in the third wave that is intact for me. You can see that the top of the first wave here is actually acting very well as support here. If I zoom in a little bit, so you can see the maximum level here was 12.15. And all right, we closed slightly below, but guys, it acted very well as support here. So once again, I don't like to see this weekly close at the lower level of the whole week. It doesn't look good, to be honest, but it's what we call some excess. All right, it's acceptable. It's acceptable as long as we're having this, either we complete like an ABC that is really an ABC. So even I would prefer to see something like this, you know, so at least, you know, I know what is happening. You know, if I have something like this, then here we might have, you know, a strong rebound, and then it's clear for me we rebound here. We're having actually strong support at 1130, guys. 1130 is not a new level. We had it here as well, you can see. And here we're having the 200 period moving average on the hourly time frame that is coming. Let me get rid of this for now. And on the 4 hours time frame, which is once again, guys, the most important time frame, what do we have? We're having here the 50 period moving average that is coming. So what I'm saying is that 12 should hold, but if it doesn't hold, it's all right. We still have a scenario that remains bullish, that is acceptable, even if we go here. It could be like this, all right? And the bearish divergence for now didn't occur. So basically, I don't have any reason to actually be bearish here. So I remain bullish, and I expect once again the price action to make a strong move up very soon, guys. Very soon. We need it. We need the momentum to keep coming. We need to see the volume picking up again. For now, we're still trading around, so this was 200 million shares, so here it's probably 50, 70 million shares. So we still have some volume, but we need to have a strong move up, a strong like green day with high volumes, and complete this third wave, and of course take back the 15 level for good. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like and bell button, so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I see you guys.